Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you how to disable the hover effect on the add to cart button in the WoodMart theme. In WoodMart theme, in product grid, when you hover over the add to cart button, the icon is showing. But some customer want to change the icons or disable to hover the effect. So in this video, I will tell you how to disable the hover effect in product grid. So in this case you need to use custom CSS code. So for this, navigate to theme settings, click on custom CSS and paste the following code. Here you can see you can use the same code on your site for this and save the changes. Then go to the website and here you can see hover on the add to cart button, the hover effect is disabled. This is how it works. But on the hover, if you want to change background color or text color, navigate to theme settings, styles and colors, buttons, and in the advanced button styles, choose the hover quick add to cart button. If you are using another product style, you can choose the same button in the advanced button styles, then it will work for you. So here I want to change background color and text color. I want like purple, and then save the option. After saving the color and save the option, then go to the website and refresh the page, and here you can see the hover color and default color is working fine. If you found this video is helpful, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.